to euro right now, €1 is worth. Here,
It's about $1 and €1 now, but it's. Oh, dude, no, oh no,
it's pretty close.
It's flattened out a lot.
They're pretty close. They're almost equal. There's like a 2 cents difference.
Past days, like I was researching that, but anyways.
Like in that country, like they believe he doesn't poop or pee.
Oh yeah, there is a myth about that.
Well, I think
More capital bra.
I think I'm gonna go with capital bra as less. I don't know. Just a feeling.
Yeah, just a small feeling.
Yeah.
Still 5 million.
Damn. I'm gonna go with
YouTube.
Less?
I'll go with probably.
I'll go more. Less?
Why not?
Okay, well, we have to listen to the. I got Paris Hilton. I'm going more.
Yeah.
I don't know who this is.